chin straps. Almost all treatments for snoring revolve around clearing the blockage in the breathing passage. Chin straps are similar to jaw-retaining mouthpieces. They are very simple to use and easy to wear. They go under your chin and over the top or around the back of your head. It is not good if your nose is blocked. A wide range of herbal pills, medicines, and anti-snoring devices are also available in the market that is aimed at reducing snoring. A variety of different surgical procedures are also available to eliminate or reduce snoring. Try the more conservative steps first, before considering surgical procedures to alleviate snoring. Check other related videos, as well as description below for more information.